My kiddos love this set of travel magnetic tiles. This is a 40-piece set and it is recommended for years 3 and up. This is for both boys and girls. This is great for taking out to restaurants to keep them busy while you are dining out. You can use this on a plane, on a train, in the car if you have a little car tray. You can also just use this to play at home. This makes a great gift. And it is multicolored and great for your kids' creativity, learning, building, sensory. We absolutely love this set. This is great for sensory play to boost your child's creativity, boost their learning.
I'm in the back now. And another one, we need to put it back in the training in the boat which they put back in the ocean.
Is that a dolphin swimming?
No, it's a mermaid.
Oh, a mermaid. I love it.
Oh, hi, mermaid. Hi, do you want to come over and see? Sure, I'd love to.
What are you gonna do? Send it back here. Y la otra semana lo llevan
What are you doing? Did you guys want a whole order of things for like this 1 week?
How many do you?
3.